AI is changing how businesses make decisions, but most professionals don't know how to evaluate or apply it effectively. That's where the CertNexus AIBIZ certification comes in. In this video, you'll understand what CertNexus AIBIZ is, how it helps in business decision-making, and what career value it offers. By the end, you'll know if this certification is right for you. The CertNexus Artificial Intelligence for Business Professionals, or AIBIZ certification, is designed specifically for non-technical professionals. You don't need coding skills, but you do need to understand how AI impacts business strategy and decisions. AIBIZ starts with essential AI concepts explained in business terms. You'll learn about machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, not from a developer's perspective, but from how these technologies impact real business outcomes. A key focus of CertNexus AIBIZ is understanding AI capabilities. AI can analyze large data sets, automate repetitive processes, and generate insights. But it also has limitations. It depends on data quality, it cannot replace human judgment, and it carries risks if misused. Understanding this balance is critical for making effective business decisions. CertNexus AIBIZ also teaches you how to evaluate AI from a business lens. Every AI initiative should be assessed based on risk, return on investment, and feasibility of adoption. This ensures AI is used strategically, not just because it's trending. You'll also learn structured approaches to evaluate AI projects. For example, does the solution address a real business problem? Do you have the right data to support it? And is the implementation practical? These questions help prevent costly mistakes and improve decision quality. With CertNexus AIBIZ, you can move into roles such as business AI consultant, strategy analyst, or digital transformation professional. These roles focus on decision-making, not coding. AI is also becoming a core leadership skill. Professionals who understand AI can lead smarter initiatives, communicate effectively with technical teams, and drive innovation within their organizations. If you're preparing for the CertNexus AIBIZ certification, platforms like UCertify offer structured learning resources aligned with the official exam objectives. This includes interactive lessons, practice tests, and real-world scenarios, helping you build both exam readiness and practical understanding. To succeed in AIBIZ, focus on understanding concepts rather than memorization. Think in terms of business use cases and practice decision-making scenarios. This certification tests how you apply AI knowledge, not just how much you can recall. To summarize, the CertNexus AIBIZ certification helps you understand AI in a business context, evaluate AI-driven decisions, and prepare for future-ready roles. If you're a business professional looking to stay relevant in an AI-driven world, this certification is a valuable step. Start building your AI foundation today and position yourself for the future of business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI, technology, and real-world industry insights. Thanks for watching.